Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best portable solar panels for camping you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Escape to the wilderness to relax is always exciting after a hectic day. You might need more than a portable power bank while backpacking or RVing to keep your devices and yourself charged. Portable solar panels allow you to travel without diverting to find a power source to recharge your equipment. The portable solar panels will provide power to your stove, lights, and electronics. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Goal Zero Nomad 100 Camping Solar Panel. Goal Zero Nomad solar panels are portable solar panels for off-grid applications and mobile base camps. There are 3 sizes of Nomad 100 panels. A lightweight, foldable, and weatherproof solar panel is the ideal camping accessory. Providing protection for the 4 monocrystalline panels, the compact and durable packing is equipped with attachment loops for hanging it wherever it is required. A mesh is attached to the back of the package to hold the 8mm charging cable, the USB-A 2.5 port, and the 8mm combiner cable port. The Yeti power stations, or any electronic device you want, can take the most energy out of the sun by joining the app 4x8 combiner cable bundle with up to 4 Nomad 100s. A Nomad panel is one of the most space-efficient panels on the market thanks to its ability to fold into one. Folded, it measures up to 20.5 by 15.5 by 2 inches, 52 by 39.37 by 5.08 centimeters, but unfolded, it measures up to 20.5 by 59.5 by 1 inches, 52 by 151.1 by 2.54 centimeters. On number 4, Renogy 50-watt flexible camping solar panel. It is an outstanding choice for boat, RV, or camping use thanks to its 50-watt flexible monocrystalline technology. Traditional solar modules present problems due to fixed mounting structures on curved surfaces, though flexible solar panels do not have this dilemma. Due to the fact that most people go camping while riding an RV, these products are considered among the best solar panels for camping. Especially, this module features an ultra-lightweight design, resulting in a 70% weight savings over traditional modules due to advanced polymer materials. Similarly, it has an impact on transportation. A waterproof junction box protects the flexible solar panel against extreme temperatures, winds, and snow loads up to 5,400 pounds per square inch. Additionally, the manufacturing technology of this product ensures that hot spots will not form. It is my favorite feature that this product has been designed with transparent dots on the surface to gather sunlight from any angle and use the distributed dots to cause refraction, which allows it to utilize sun energy twice. On the basis of these features, we can say it is one of the best solar panels for camping trailers. On number 3, Goal Zero Nomad 50. Nomad 50 is Goal Zero's smallest portable solar panel. Nomad 50 is a 50-watt monocrystalline panel designed for small spaces at your car or base camp, featuring 4 monocrystalline panels. As with the Nomad 100, its packing includes attachment loops around the panels, a mesh back to store 8mm charging cable, a USB-A 2.5 port, and an 8mm combiner cable port. Additionally, a secondary mesh is also available to store the Goal Zero Guardian charge controller or any other electronics. With its built-in combiner cable port, it can chain up to 3 Nomad 50 solar panels for a maximum output of 150 watts. With its small size and lightweight design, it is perfect for walks when you need to charge your electronics. If folded, it is only 17 by 11.25 by 2.5 in, 43.2 by 28.6 by 6.4 centimeters, and unfolded, can reach 53 inches, 134.6 centimeters. On number 2, Renogy E.FLEX 50. The E.FLEX 50 solar panel from Renogy is one of the world's best 50-watt portable panels. In addition to providing multiple output options for your essential electronics, it also harvests solar energy. Its intelligent built-in chip makes the panel ready to directly charge smartphones, tablets, and laptops with a switchable 12 volts DC port and a 5 volt USB port. Package and stand legs are both made of industrial-strength PET polymer and polyester canvas, so the panel stands on its own. Among the best characteristics of the panel is its ability to withstand the harshest weather conditions. A lightweight and compact panel design makes it an excellent choice for walks where more energy is needed on the go. The bag measures 19.9 by 16.1 by 0.8 inches, 50.6 by 40.8 by 20.8 centimeters, when folded, and it comes with built-in handles for easy transportation. On number 1, Suwaki 80 watts camping solar panel. It is also the home of Shenzhen, another giant Chinese company. There are many camping gadgets available with the Suwaki. Suwaki 80 watts portable solar panel has remarkable features and is an interesting and foldable solar panel. This module is efficient, producing 60 watts at a 20% efficiency at 60 watts output. The portable power source supports both an 18 volts DC dual output and a 5 volts USB port for charging USB devices. This product is more than just a foldable solar panel. It also comes with SA and DC cables for energy storage. The car charger can also be used if the battery runs out. Furthermore, the solar panel folds up like a standard briefcase, so you can easily put it in your car, RV, or tent when not in use. The smart Tier C technology that is built into the Suwaki solar charger is my favorite feature about it. Overcharge, overcurrent, and overload protection are provided by this technology, which detects the current of the equipment and speeds up the charging process. Additionally, you can use the briefcase with any laptop thanks to the 10-in-1 connector.